How to fix iPhone green screen issue. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on software update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest iOS, as Apple often fixes display bugs. In general, again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings, and do not worry, your data will not be lost, but Wi-Fi and settings will be reset. See if the issue was fixed or not, and if not, then go back to settings and tap on display and brightness. Here you can try to refresh the toggle buttons for true tone, night shift, and auto brightness on and off to see if it tint changes. You can also try to lower brightness slightly and see if that fixes your issue. And if none of these fixes your issue, then you can simply try to hard reboot or force restart your iPhone. So quickly press the volume up button and then quickly press the volume down button and then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Once restarted, see if your issue is fixed or not. And if not, you can check for hardware issues. So inspect for drops, water damage, or extreme heat. If the iPhone overheats, cool it down and restart and see if it is fixed. And if the screen still stays green after all these steps, the key issue is likely hardware. So you can contact Apple support or an authorized service center. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone green screen issue. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.